डेफिनेटली इट वाज एन आई ओपनिंग सेशन। और वो कहते हैं ना, धागे खोल दिया आपने आज एक एक कॉन्सेप्ट के।
अमन, मैं आपको थैंक यू बोलना चाहूंगा। जब से मैंने 2 वीक से ज्वाइन किया हुआ है,
हम्म।
मैं बिल्कुल बिंदास हो गया हूँ।
ओके, दैट्स गुड।
और जो भी चाहता हूँ मतलब मैं, लगता है हाँ सब कुछ ठीक हो रहा है, और हो रहा है, सब कुछ ठीक हो
इट वॉज अमेजिंग। मुझे अभी थोड़ा लाइट फील हो रहा है। इनफैक्ट कल से मुझे फीवर है, बट राइट नाउ फीलिंग वेरी रिलैक्स्ड।
It was very calming, very soothing. Like in that moment, I felt like everything is just okay. Like कुछ ऐसा है नहीं जितना कुछ हमारे दिमाग में या इसमें चल रहा है, बट ऐसा कुछ एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता है.
अबंडेंस माइंडसेट क्या है? अबंडेंस मीन्स आई एम अबंडेंट, आई हैव इनफ, आई विल ऑलवेज हैव इनफ, आई एम नेवर लिमिटेड, even when I fail, I'm still learning. That is the abundance mind. Whatever happens to me happens for good. If somebody is getting the promotion, good for them. I'm happy for them, but I'm not going to feel jealous. I'm not going to feel why not me? That's the abundance mindset. Okay. So what abundance actually means? Abundance is not everything will magically work out. Everything doesn't magically work out, ladies and gentlemen. Everything does not. You still have to put in efforts. You have to create those timelines. Okay, let me share a quick example with you. Okay, so almost every day I get some somewhere from 9,000, 10,000 rupees to 25,000 to 50 to 90. Every day I'm getting these payments. Some days I'm getting 3, 4 lakhs also. Okay, varies. But then I realized that okay, I'm getting all these payments right now, and this is where probably the abundance mindset and my research started happening in this field. I'm like, okay, so how am I getting all these? Like, why is money flowing to me in all directions now? Small currency, big currency. Okay, why is money flowing to me? So I realized that I've done a lot of one-to-ones. So that's my one source. Then I have my one-to-many programs, group programs. Then I have my recorded sessions that I'm selling. Then I have my YouTube. Then I have my certification programs. Okay, then I have my webinars. I have 6, and we are adding more. The new apps that we are developing right now. We have 6 sources of income. Of course, they're brand partnerships. 6 sources of income. So money keeps coming. So could this have happened without any effort? Is it possible? No, right? So you understand that. But what is the main problem that we get stuck in? Only one source of income. यहीं से ही चाहिए पैसा, ये जॉब ही देगी मेरे को 50 लाख का पैकेज, यहीं से मैं 1 करोड़ कमाऊंगा, वरना मैं नहीं मिल रहा है आपको, नहीं आने वाला 1 करोड़ रुपए महीने का जॉब से, unless you're sitting in a different country altogether. Are you with me? इंडिया में तो बहुत मुश्किल है. So what do you do? You have to create new ventures for yourself. That will always need effort. Okay, so abundance actually means that no, everything will not magically work out for me. It means I believe in my options. If this is not working out for me, it's okay. Something will always work out for me. Write this down. If this is not working out for me, that's okay. Something always works out for me. I think Neville Goddard was the one who says everything always works out to me, works out for me. Neville talked about this. Have this mindset. Law of assumption. Okay. You trust that growth is possible even after failure. So what if I failed? Yeah, I lost money. It's okay. Money always comes to me. This is the abundance mindset. But this is very difficult. Do you agree or disagree? Yes or no? Quickly write down yes or no. Do you agree or disagree? Aman, money always comes to me. बोलना तो आसान है, but I have some doubts. Yeah. Money doesn't really come to you that easily. And that is the limited mindset. That is the limited mindset. Are we clear? Scarcity or mediocrity mindset. So you don't see life as a single narrow path. Everything is possible, everything can come. And that's why I said single path. Everything shouldn't come from this direction. कि ईस्ट से आएगा पैसा तो बढ़िया है, वेस्ट वाला नहीं चाहिए, साउथ वाला तो बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए, नॉर्थ के तो है पोल्यूटेड. यू डोंट वांट दैट. हर जगह से आए पैसा मेरे पास. आई वांट मनी फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर. आर वी क्लियर? या मूविंग ऑन. So, what is not abundance? Abundance is the opposite of mediocrity or scarcity mindset. Because somebody who's limited themselves cannot feel abundant. They will feel I have limited opportunities. This is the only thing for me. This is only what will work out for me. So such people always restrict their own life. नहीं कर सकता. I can't do this. No, no, no. If I do this, something will happen. Something will go wrong. So mediocrity says, if this doesn't work, I'm done. If this doesn't, what will happen? And now, anxiety, fear. Fear of the future, fear of the unknown is developing. And you don't want that. Abundance says, this is one attempt, not my final chapter. Okay, this is one failure. This is not my life. So what? I have always come back from failure, right? I have always succeeded after failure. I will do it again. Now look at the confidence. Your body starts feeling comfortable. I can do it again. Body starts feeling comfortable. Your confidence goes up. So it's not as simple as saying that I have enough opportunities. There are a lot of small things, and we'll be going in depth. So this belief alone changes how you think, act, and decide. This one belief alone, that whatever I do will always work out for me in the longer run. There's something, big lesson here from this failure. I had to learn how to have better relationships if it's a toxic relationship. If a project didn't work out for you, I need to learn how to do this better. I need to hire the right people. Yeah. Didn't clear one interview. That's okay. Now I learned what I do wrong in my interviews. I'm going to practice that. Are we clear? You have to feed in confidence to your brain. That's how you improve your overall levels of confidence. So belief alone. Otherwise, I can't do this. Oh no, another interview. Oh, another project failure. Shit, my company is going down to the... No, I can't do this. I can't do this. Otherwise, you live in fear. Scarcity will always lead to fear. Fear will always lead to anxiety. Are we clear? So why most adults don't practice abundance? What is the problem? One problem is you're being programmed to be powerless. Yes? No, nobody teaches you in school. Nobody teaches you in college. How many times have people actually, taught you how to deal with failures in life? Barring maybe a handful of people, 1, 2 maybe. Maybe if you were close with your dad, or you had a very strong mom, or you had an elder brother or elder sibling, or maybe some guru, some teacher. और वो भी 1-2 सेंटेंस मोटिवेशनल दे देते हैं. वो ये नहीं कहते दिमाग में कैसे करना है. How do we approach this? There is no method to the madness. Do we agree? Yes or no? There is no method to the madness here. How do we move around the chaos? How do we go from chaos to calmness? कैसे करना है उसे? So by 30, ध्यान से सुनिएगा. By 30, you've tried things that didn't work. You see people going ahead of you. Your friends, your colleagues, maybe your cousins. You felt the time pressure. Time is running out. A lot of women go through this additional pressure, biological clock. If you don't do this, get her married. Women have additional pressures in our country. That's the reality. Then you develop a self-doubt disguised as realism. This is where the problem goes deeper. But reality तो यही है ना कि मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. बट रियलिटी तो यही है ना कि फेलियर हो गया, मैं नहीं कर. रियलिटी तो यही है ना कि मैं जब भी स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करता हूं मेरा हमेशा लॉस हो जाता है. यही रियलिटी है ना. दैट्स द रियलिटी. नो, इट्स नॉट. द रियलिटी इज यू नॉट लर्निंग. रियलिटी इज यू मेकिंग द सेम मिस्टेक. हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस हैव मेड द सेम मिस्टेक and felt shit, I've done this in the past, why do I do this again? How many of us feel that way? I'll tell you why. The problem is not lack of intelligence. It's learned limitation. You've learned to be limited. Why? Because we are predominantly raised by a struggling parental population. When they grew up in 1960s, 70s, the means were very limited. They had to struggle. Jobs were very limited. Opportunities were limited. So they transferred the limit because that's the best they knew at that time, not blaming parents. This is what they were conditioned for. This is the reality that they had grown up in. Does that still apply to 2025 or 2026 now? I know influencers who are making 40 to 50 lakh rupees a month by talking rubbish. Rubbish. But this is the paradox of intelligence, okay? Paradox of intelligence क्या कहता है? The intelligent person will always doubt himself or herself. And fools trust themselves beyond their own capability. Fools are actually full of confidence. Intelligent people always have the imposter syndrome. No, we don't know enough. We're not good enough. What if it doesn't work out? No, you have to be practical. Don't, Baba. Don't. The sooner you realize this paradox of intelligence, the more you feel, okay, I'm still doing better than most people. Okay, so your brain, does your brain like negative experiences? Yes or no? Does your brain like negative experiences? Yes or no? What gets activated every single time you have a negative experience? What part of the brain gets activated when you have a negative experience? My coach is attending the session should reply. Amygdala, yes, very good. The fear center. Okay. So this is the autonomic nervous system divided into two parts: sympathetic, parasympathetic nervous system. Parasympathetic bodily, controls all the body functions. Sympathetic nervous system controls your survival instinct, fight or flight mechanism. Amygdala releases cortisol, stress hormone. Every single time there's a negative emotional experience, the entire body is feeling negative. If your body is feeling negative, it will discourage you from that experience. It's telling you, I'm not comfortable. But what happens? Your brain starts protecting you from disappointment by not doing that action, by avoiding risk, by overthinking your decisions, by choosing familiarity over growth. And that protection slowly becomes a prison. Why? Because familiarity में अभी क्या situation familiar है आपकी life में? Suffering, feeling stuck, feeling limited, not having enough, not doing well. Something is holding me back. Self-confidence, doubts. I don't know what's going on. Why does it happen to me only? Why am I alone? Why am I not loved? Why am I not valued? Why am I not? This is the stuck state you're in. Do you understand what's happening? Your brain is keeping you in that state. That's the problem. Write this down. You are programmed to survive, not thrive. आपके ब्रेन को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Go and talk to any neuroscience expert, any neuroscientist. They will tell you, as per the theory of evolution, your brain has evolved to survive under any circumstance. Hence, 4: fight or flight response, freeze and fawn response. Fight, flight, freeze, fawn. Survival instinct के 4 responses है. Fight and flight हमारे evolutionary responses है. शेर आ गया तो मैं क्या करूंगा? I will run away. Flight response या I will fight. घर के अंदर घुस गया तो मैं क्या करूंगा? लड़ाई करनी पड़ेगी ना यार. खुद को बचाना पड़ेगा. Okay? Freeze response क्या है? I froze. I don't know what to do. In real life, freeze response happens when people go into depression. They don't do anything. They feel demotivated, discouraged. They don't take any actions. That's the freeze response. Fawn response is when you do people pleasing. I'm living with some toxic people. I'm surrounded by toxic people. They're very aggressive. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to handle them. So I will give in to whatever they're saying, even though it means I'm going to feel bad about it. It hurts me. It hurts my boundaries. Doesn't make me feel good. Are we clear? Your brain is programmed to survive, not thrive. Your brain is not programmed for growth. That's why you need this concept of willpower. That's why you always need motivation. That's why motivation sells. If you were also self-motivated, why do you need motivation? Are we clear? So the problem is not lack of intelligence, it's learned limitation. It's your programming of your brain. So you have to get over the programming, which means you have to reprogram. Are we clear, everybody? Yes? Moving on. So the psychology behind abundance. What does abundance say or is meant when we talk about it from human behavior science? Your brain is a prediction machine. It will always ask you what is likely to happen. If I do this, what will happen? राइट डाउन दिस टू वर्ड्स, मीनिंग मेकिंग. ये आपकी ब्रेन की प्रोग्रामिंग है, सबकॉन्शियस की प्रोग्रामिंग है, मीनिंग मेकिंग. Your subconscious mind is always creating certain meanings out of every situation. Okay, I am outside, I'm feeling cold. Oh, आज ठंड बहुत ज्यादा है. मीनिंग है ठंड ज्यादा है, मुझे कुछ पहनना पड़ेगा. Protect myself. This person is not picking my call. He is ignoring me. He disrespects me. Doesn't like me anymore. वगैरह वगैरह. Meaning making. Always. Prediction machine. What is likely to happen? What does this mean? Okay. So if your past has been difficult, your brain predicts loss, rejection, and failure. फिर से loss हो जाएगा. But here's the problem. Have you seen your future? How do you know it's a guaranteed loss, guaranteed rejection, guaranteed failure? How do you know that? What is the actual possibility of failure, rejection, loss? On a scale of 1 to 100, what is the actual percentage possibility of something going wrong? Write down in the chat. क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं तो भाई जवाब भी तो दोगे ना. एक्चुअल पॉसिबिलिटी क्या है किसी चीज की गलत हो जाने की? 100%. सी, वाह वाह, वेरी नाइस पल्लवी, सो पॉजिटिव. 50%. Possibility going wrong is only 50%, no? So 50% can go wrong, but what do we focus on? 50% negative or 50% positive? Have you ever spoken to your mind, had that conversation with that negative voice of yours that says, oh, what if it doesn't work out? No, 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 nahi hoga, what will I do? But what if it works out? What if I'm happy after this? What if I make more money? What if my life changes? What I'm never in the suffering state anymore? What if I learn something which will change the next 20, 30 years of my life? Are we clear? Yeah. So brain is predicting things that have not even happened. So it will stop you from taking bold decisions and growth. It will stop you from investing in yourself, saying yes to opportunities. So what happens when you don't say yes to opportunities coming your way? A lot of my quantum manifestation coaches are here. You get opportunities, right? Automatically opportunities start coming to you. Quantum manifestation people who've done with me, they know कि यार bridge खुल जाते हैं synchronicities के, अपने आप opportunities आनी start हो जाती है, clients आ रहे हैं. See, they're writing yes, yes. So what happens there? When you don't say yes to opportunities, you end up being stuck at the same place. आपको job का call आया है. Going to take a very silly example, okay? A new call, अचानक से call आ गया, मैंने तो apply भी नहीं किया था. Yeah, we found your resume on LinkedIn. We found you to be an appropriate match for the profile we're looking for. No, but I'm not looking out right now. अरे बाबा check तो करो profile क्या है. At least have a conversation. JD तो मंगवा लो. Can you at least send me the job description with all the details? What is the package? What is the location? Where is it? What are the requisites? देखो तो सही. Maybe they are giving you a promotion. Maybe you're not even lined up for promotion in your current company. The problem is you're too. ठीक है देख ले. आज just today, Jogi and I we were talking about one of our like one of my ex-colleagues, one of his current colleagues and friends. How long has this guy worked for, Jogi Puru? How has he been working in the same company?
I think it's more than 15 years.
More than 15 years. By the way, let me give you a calculation. जितने साल का आपका वर्क एक्स है ना, ठीक है, उसमें प्लस 10,000, आई एम सॉरी, इनटू 10,000 होना चाहिए. इज द बेयर मिनिमम सैलरी शुड बी ऑन. बेयर मिनिमम तो 15 साल का मतलब 1.5 लाख आपकी होनी चाहिए. हर साल का 10,000 आपके बढ़ने चाहिए. ये मिनिमम है. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द हाई पेइंग स्किल सेट वो एक्स्ट्रा भी जा सकता है. आर वी क्लियर? तो नाउ यू हैव अ बेंचमार्क के ओके, वेयर एम आई? लोवेस्ट क्या है? लोवेस्ट इज 10,000 पर ईयर. If you're at a high paying skill, if you're a doctor or a therapist or let's say a neurosurgeon, scientist, so of course that will go up. Okay, but वो 1.5 लाख के उस पे है. And 1.5 लाख भी नहीं उसके, I think.
No, not even near.
हाँ, तो 1 लाख के नीचे 15 साल का experience है. Good guy. Nothing against him. But he's very happy. He's stuck in the same company. Why? Because the company is giving him comfort. बट कंफर्ट ना आपको, आपके दिमाग को जंग लगा देता है. दैट्स व्हाट चैट जीपीटी इज डूइंग टू यू दीस डेज. इट्स किलिंग योर क्रिएटिविटी. Every single time for research, now we're heavily dependent on chat GPT instead of maneuvering through Google and, using your brain. This is good, this is not good. Oh, search. Oh, I found that. Oh, this is interesting. कुछ नहीं करते, बोलते हैं क्रिएट अ मॉड्यूल ऑन दिस, ठाठा करके उसने बना के दे दिया. उसके बाद अपना दिमाग नहीं लगाएंगे, कस्टमाइज नहीं करेंगे. सो योर ब्रेन इज स्टॉपिंग यू फ्रॉम लिविंग अ बेटर लाइफ. बट नाउ टेल मी, हमारे ब्रेन की एक्चुअल प्रोग्रामिंग क्या है न्यूरो साइंस में? हाउ मेनी ब्रेन सेल्स डू वी हैव? 100 billion brain cells. Do we ever stop taking information in? Do we stop making memories? Unless you have Alzheimer's or, some kind of a brain rotting disease. Do you ever stop making memories in life? Memory क्या है? Information ही तो है. What you saw, what you heard, what you learned. Correct? That's the information. That's why if I asked you, what did you have on last Wednesday? तो आपको याद नहीं होगा. But if I ask you, okay, what was your biggest lesson from last week? You may still share something with me because that's information. That's data being downloaded in the memory folders in the subconscious mind. Okay? So we are always in the process of learning. We are always in the process of growing. But when you stop growing in new skills, you stop leveraging new opportunities, your growth stops. Okay? Very importantly. So you need to understand abundance mindset means retraining your brain's predictions by not lying to yourself. When your brain says we are comfortable, you say no, we are not. नहीं, अभी जहां जितना है काफी है. No, I want more. If you never ask for more, think about it. Okay, let me now give you a very beautiful, beautiful story. Think about it. God comes in your dream tomorrow night and says, बता बेटा क्या चाहिए? तो जो बोलेगा या बोलेगी मैं तेरे को तथास्तु कर दूंगा, तेरे को कल से मिलना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. और आप कहते नहीं, ये तो सिर्फ सपना है. नहीं नहीं, हाउ कैन गॉड कम एंड सी मी? अरे ट्राई तो कर लो. That is your brain lying to you always. That is your brain programming the predictions and lying to you. Are we clear? Yeah, easy to understand till now. पता चल रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है, abundance को रोकता क्या है? How do we develop the scarcity mindset? It's your own brain. Okay? Now, scarcity versus abundance in daily life. How do we do this? Mediocrity or scarcity pattern says, what if I lose money? What if this fails? Others are luckier than me. Okay? Waiting for certainty. जब तक बिल्कुल कंफर्म नहीं हो जाएगा ना, I will not take an action. No, I can't do this. Okay, let me tell you something very, very silly that I come across. A lot of women do this, particularly. Women are biggest criminals when it comes to this, okay? मेरे ना बच्चे छोटे हैं, मैं नहीं करूंगी. मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. मेरे को ना घर का खाना वाना बनाना होता है. मैं घर के काम करने होते हैं, मैं नहीं कर सकती. बहन, अगर तुम 2 लाख रुपए महीने के बनाओगी ना, यही घर वाले मना कर देंगे काम करने से. यही घर वाले बोलेंगे कि नहीं नहीं, हमारी बहू तो कमाती है, बहुत अच्छा कमाती है, उसका अपना करियर है. लेकिन हमने क्या किया है? वी इन्वेस्टेड आवर टाइम कंप्लीटली इनटू अदर्स एंड दैट आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट्स नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट, इट्स डेफिनेटली इंपॉर्टेंट, बट आई एम गिविंग यू अ हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशन वेयर योर माइंडसेट इज लिमिटेड. You can buy back time by investing in these domestic helps. That energy, that amount of relief or relaxation that you will have, that problem of getting up, thinking what to cook, I don't know what to cook, and then cooking and coming back, and then feeling exhausted. Thak gayi. Baba, you can dedicatively, when somebody is cooking, you can come back on your laptop, you can start working. Do you understand? अगर आपको ये लगता है whatever I'm saying is wrong, then you have the mediocre mindset. That is your conditioning. That is exactly the conditioning you need to battle yourself with. मैं कर क्या रही हूं अपनी लाइफ के साथ? Will people give me more respect if I'm making Limited money, or if I'm making 5 lakh, 10 lakh rupees every month? Very simple answer. The problem is ये हमारी mediocre mindset है. Okay. इसके लिए a lot of people also don't want to put in the extra efforts. पापा build करने के लिए, I told you ना, I have 6 revenue streams. Build किया है. अभी मेरी book publish हो जाएगी, एक और revenue stream वहां से आ जाएगी. There's another series of courses that we are launching, वो वहां से भी आएगा. I have 8 or 9 sources of income. Why? Because I'm not limiting myself. Why should I limit myself? Are we clear? So life coaching is that one skill that opens your multiple horizons. You can do a lot of things with this. Okay. Now, abundance patterns क्या है? ये तो scarcity के patterns है. Abundance pattern says, what can I learn even if this fails? Okay, it didn't work out. But what was my learning here? What did I get exposed to? There's this guy. He's a very famous coach. So when I left my job, I was at 45 lakhs ka package. And at that time, I remember seeing this guy's webinar. Okay, check this out. ध्यान से सुनना. This guy had 1,000 people in his webinar. Okay, he sold a product at 9,000 rupees, something. Let's say 10,000 for ease of calculation. Out of 1,000, 200 people signed up. How much money did he make? करो, calculate करो. 10,000 into 200. How much money did this guy make? Anybody with good maths? 20 lakh rupees. This was one webinar in the month. He did a second webinar next 15 days. He again had 1,000 people. He converted 180 people this time. ऊपर नीचे होता है, plus minus 10%. So 180 people again. How many lakhs? 18 lakh rupees. That's 10,000 average base price. Then he combines 200 plus 180 people into one batch. What is the overall cost for that batch? 20 plus 18? 38 lakhs. When I saw this, I was like, what the hell? And you know what? That guy was speaking in Hindi. Nothing against Hindi. But I was like, oh my God. If Hindi speaking market, he can make 38 lakh rupees in 1 month by doing webinars. I was like, okay. Something I'm not doing. Like I am at 40 lakhs. What the hell am I doing with my life? ये एक महीने में बना रहा है यार. That's the potential. You understand? So I tried. I left my job. My first few webinars failed so badly, I can't even tell you. So badly they failed. I couldn't talk properly. I couldn't sell anything. I think 2 courses I sold 6,000 rupees, 12,000 rupees I made, 50,000, 70,000 rupees I paid in my ad spend. 50,000 rupees I was paying to this guy who was running my ads. Then, you know, I left my job also at that time. So I was another at a loss of 2-3 lakh rupees. I was losing money left, right and center. Because I thought, oh, easily ho jayega. But my learning was, okay, he has invested time. I need to learn how to do a better webinar. I need to create better product. Okay. So how do you learn even if you fail? How do I increase my odds of not failing? What was missing? My sales skills were missing. I did not know how to do sales. Webinar sales is a very different animal altogether. So I was like, okay, I need to learn how to do webinar sales. So skill set or mindset. And then acting before certainty appears. So I did not stop. Even though I had a failure, I kept doing those webinars. I kept increasing my community. I kept doing more and more. And that's when I realized, okay, you have to still do it because you learn with every single time. There was a webinar, I remember, oh my God, one of the worst webinars. This happened in 2022. I didn't have a single sale. Zero. बहुत बुरा लगा था उस रात को. बहुत बुरा लगा था. I was like, what the hell am I doing? Where have I landed myself in? Have I made a mistake? Should I go back to the job? And I was still getting calls from all these companies, AVP, VP के लिए, कि, you know, come. And I was like, यार ये job अभी पड़ी है, वो, you know, recruiters are still negotiating with me. What do I do? Should I join? I was like, no. If I join, I'll go back to the same problem. 50 lakhs a year. I want 50 lakhs a month. And we've reached very close to it, by the way. Okay. So it happens. It will happen if you have that mindset. So abundance, very important, and make a note of this, is calculated courage, not blind optimism. That's why people are not able to apply abundance properly, because "Oh, everything will work out," but they're not prepared for when it doesn't work out. Abundance is, what is life teaching me? What is my God trying to teach me? Okay, I have the skill which I need to work on. Okay, I'll work on it. Are we clear? Okay. Next, this is the main course shift. This will change everything in your life. Scarcity says, what if I'm not enough? Mediocrity says, what if I'm not good enough? Scarcity says, मुझे तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है. And mediocrity, मैं इतना अच्छा नहीं हूं अभी फिलहाल. Abundance says, what if I become more capable? I just need to learn these. How many of us here have been in any of my courses in anxiety and have overcome anxiety within 2 weeks or 30 days? Write down me in the chat. Write down me in the chat. How many of us overcome anxiety or fear, any kind of... See, you will find these people. Because the world is telling you, all the doctors in the world are going to tell you, okay, anxiety never gets okay. Anxiety kabhi theek nahi hone wali. 30 days, 2 weeks, gone. Why? Because I did not let them have a limited mindset. I gave them the confidence. I transferred it. I showed them testimonials, proof. I give them real-time programming results. So your confidence can also transfer to people. Are we clear? Yeah. So one question will freeze you. What if I'm not good enough? The other person will move you forward. What if I become more capable? Now you want to become capable. Now you want to invest in your growth or learning. Okay. And your income, your confidence and relationships follow the question you repeat. If I'm not good enough, I will settle for less or I will settle for abuse. How many of us have settled for a toxic relationship? Write down I. Or did at one point in time, past. Okay. This also happens in your relationships. When you think, my life never works out. I'm not lucky enough. Why are some people so lucky? They get all the love. Why do they only get love? I'm also capable of love. I'm worthy of love. I'm worthy of abundance. I will get it. You understand? So not just in your confidence and relationships, your income as well. But I can't do more. But no, I have to be where I am. I don't know what to do. No. Arey, get help, Baba. What a stupid, idiotic thought. Is there somebody in the world who has done it in the same field where you are? Who's broken those barriers, who's doing well? Yes. If they can do it, you can do it. If they have done it, you can also do it. Have they not hired, experienced coaches or people who can make the journey shorter? It's about time. Trust me, the entire struggle is of time. Either you can spend your time in suffering or you can spend your time in growing. There is no two way about it. या तो सफर कर सकते हो या ग्रो कर सकते हो. दोनों साथ में पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. This is the law of duality. Life is dual natured. या तो सफरिंग होगी या ग्रोथ होगी, या कॉन्फिडेंस होगा या कंफ्यूजन होगा, या हैप्पीनेस होगी या सैडनेस होगी. दोनों साथ साथ में नहीं होगा. या ग्रेटिट्यूड होगा या स्कार्सिटी होगी. आर वी क्लियर? दोनों एक साथ एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर सकता. What do you choose to do? I want to. Do I want to be stuck or do I want to move forward? इसका कोई और बीच में रास्ता है ही नहीं. One step at a time. Moving forward one day at a time. Okay. But still you have to take an action every single day, no? How do you have the clarity that this is the right direction? नहीं, try and test करेंगे. तो फिर सफर करो टाइम के साथ. Then 3 साल लगाओ, 4 साल लगाओ. और लकी हो तो 1 साल में हो जाएगा. Are we clear? Yeah. So you're wasting time. Remember that. So this is what we need to do right now. This is a quick exercise. ये थोड़ी सी deep होने वाली है. Are we ready for a deep exercise, everybody? Are we ready for something deep? Yes. आपको पता है अमन की वर्कशॉप है, डीप तो जाएंगे, अभी तो स्टार्ट किया है. वी आर स्क्रैचिंग द सर्फेस. We are just talking about the mindset and the thought process. We are breaking old beliefs, old patterns right now. But having said that, we still need to do some kind of a deep analysis of where we are right now. What I want everybody to do now is two questions. And for the, can you everybody quickly get a notepad? Everybody, can you quickly get a notepad and a pen? Do you have it handy? If you have it handy, that's amazing. I like you guys. You are my kind of community, all set, ready for action. I love that. You need to answer this one question and complete this one sentence. That's all you need to do. And take a minute. What am I avoiding because of fear? And what if I acted from belief instead of fear? I would do this. Okay? ये हम रोज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अभी हमें स्टार्ट करना है. And to get here, what I want everybody to do here is, now look at me. Question समझ में आ गया? What am I avoiding because of fear? Yes? Yeah? Everybody please sit straight, neck straight, back straight, shoulders back, arms and hands relaxed. Touch नहीं करेंगे, fold नहीं करेंगे, no folding. Thank you. Now, please close your eyes. Listen to my voice. Allow me to guide you. Take a deep breath. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Just follow my instructions right now. Don't get distracted. Whatever I'm telling you, please focus on my voice. One more time. Take a deep breath. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And just relax your mind, relax your body. Letting go of any stress, any worries. Long, deep breaths. Inhale. Relaxation. And exhale. Any stress, any heaviness you feel in your body. Allow your body to get really calm and really relaxed. One more time, take a deep breath. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And now, I want everybody to take your right hand, put it on your heart. Take your right hand and put it on your heart. Start feeling your heartbeat. Feel your heartbeat. Once you start getting that sensation of a gentle feeling of the heartbeat, I want you to bring your complete focus and attention on your heart. Feel the connection between the heartbeat and the palm of your hand. Bring your complete focus and attention there. And now, ask this question. The answer will come from the body, not the head. If you get any thoughts in the head, avoid them, ignore them. Ask the question now to your body. Let your body respond. What am I avoiding because of fear? If the body has answered, I want you to now ask it again. Why do I have this fear? What am I avoiding because of fear? And why do I have this fear? And I want you to now open your eyes and quickly write down in the chat the two answers that you got. And I'll tell you more about what's happening. What was the fear? Write down the fear and why do I have this fear? What fear am I avoiding in life and why do I have this fear? Okay? दोनों लिख रहे हैं. See, you're getting really powerful responses. I'm avoiding life. I will be judged. Scared to be vulnerable in relationships. I don't want to lose myself. Not taking the action because of support and trailer. क्या है ये दिया गया वो? Fear of failing. But again, you have to write down why do you have this fear also. Scared of marriage, scared of taking a wrong decision. Very good. Very clear, Abhimanyu. Good job. Fear of experiencing my Virat Swaroop. So losing control. Very good. Acceptance is important, Pallavi. Okay? You can control this Virat Swaroop. We'll go through this very soon. We have the life coach certification and the mental blocks healing coming up. It's in the 3rd week of January. Okay, so people who've enrolled for it will be a part of the batch. Okay. So Ishwar, I know you've been waiting for a long time. We'll share the dates with you soon. Okay, for this one. Ishwar is one of the sweetest guys I've ever come across. I really like him. He's so patient. I wish I could have your level of patience, Ishwar. I'm scared of failing again. हाँ, that's absolutely fair. Also afraid of. नहीं, ये तो सारे fear हो गए ना फातिमा. Why do I have this fear? Why भी लिखना जरूरी है. I avoid communicating. What I feel, this is my fear. I don't want to get blamed for what I didn't mean. Okay. Money, and second is avoiding money lost in bad experience. Okay. Past negative experiences. All right. Scared of failing, getting mocked by society. So what do you understand now? That these are very, very deep answers, right? So this is your subconscious mind answering. Remember, conscious mind is here, prefrontal cortex. Subconscious mind is everywhere in the body. Okay? So subconscious mind is giving you the answers. That's why I told you specifically to avoid or ignore whatever this head says. That thought is a logical voice. You don't need logic. You need actual deep realization. Got it, everybody? Okay. A lot of people will still not write. I know this. बहुत लोग आंसर नहीं करेंगे इस पे भी. मुझे पता है. Because they're not ready to accept the healing also. By the way, very powerful thing, and I always share this. I love sharing this one because this thing changed my life. Okay, my teacher once told me कि अमन, जिन लोगों का हीलिंग का टाइम आ जाता है ना, सब कुछ बहुत जल्दी हील करते हैं. जिनका हीलिंग का टाइम आ जाता है, और जिनका हीलिंग का टाइम नहीं आता ना, उनको अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती है, बट दे आर नॉट एबल टू टेक द एक्शन. दे कीप सफरिंग बिकॉज उनका हीलिंग का टाइम आया ही नहीं है. Even if they attract, even if they pray to God. By the way, prayer is very, very powerful. We'll talk about that during quantum manifestation, जो हम बात करेंगे in the batch. So when you pray, God sends you an opportunity. Universe will always send you an opportunity. Do you have the intellect to identify this is the opportunity, this is the gate which is opening for me, this is the door which is opening for me? ये आपकी इंटेलेक्ट के ऊपर है, आपकी अलाइनमेंट के ऊपर है, आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द यूनिवर्स के ऊपर है कि यूनिवर्स फंक्शन कैसे करता है. अगेन, यू आर बीइंग प्रोग्राम टू बी पावरलेस. नो, नॉट ब्लेमिंग एनीबडी. कोई सिखाता नहीं है ना, बट ये एग्जिस्ट करता है. व्हाई डू ऑल दीज एक्टर्स से आई विजुअलाइज हैविंग एन अवार्ड एंड आई गॉट इट? कैसे कर लेते हैं? विराट कोहली विजुअलाइज्ड सेंचुरी एंड ऑल दैट. कैसे? व्हाट्स हैपनिंग? अगर हम न्यूरो साइंस में जाए तो RAS, रेटिकुलर एक्टिवेशन सिस्टम होता है, ब्रेन का एक पार्ट होता है फोकस मैकेनिज्म का, उसको प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, अगर हम यूनिवर्सल लॉज में जाए तो यूनिवर्स, अगेन क्वांटम फिजिक्स में हम चले जाएंगे वहां पे, बट एवरीथिंग इज एनर्जी, सो यू आर डायरेक्टिंग योर एनर्जी इन दैट डायरेक्शन. क्वांटम पॉसिबिलिटीज है वहां पे. अगेन, क्वांटम मैनिफेस्टेशन कोचिंग प्रोग्राम में जो होगा, वी विल लर्न, विल गो इनटू ऑल दैट. सो द पॉइंट हियर इज, जब आपके हीलिंग का टाइम आ जाता है, things happen. और अगर हीलिंग का टाइम नहीं आता, द बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, यू विल नॉट टेक इट. लाइक, कैन आई शेयर अ क्विक स्टोरी विद यू? When I was going through all these, like I was in anxiety and depression for 3 years of my life. Okay, very bad. I had a failed marriage. So anxiety, depression, I took medicines, couldn't sleep for 3 years. Worst 3 years of my life. Waking up every day, feeling disappointed and anxious at the same time. nothing to look forward to, and anxiety. Okay. And then when I'm trying to sleep, I can't sleep because of anxiety. Brain is rushing, zzz, rapid thoughts. And if I take medicine, then I'm feeling drained the entire day next day. I can't do work. I can't do anything. So it was a very bad time for me. I took uh, I took a lot of counseling, therapy, didn't really work. Spent a lot of money. Now, one fine day, what happened was when I was going for my diploma in clinical hypnotherapy, I didn't really want to go. I didn't want to sign up. I had a friend. एक मेरी फ्रेंड थी जसमीत, and I'm forever grateful to Jasmeet for actually pushing me in that direction. तो उसमें को बोला यार चलते हैं देखते हैं क्या होगा यार, वर्कशॉप है ना, पास्ट लाइफ की तो वर्कशॉप है, मजा आएगा यार, देखते हैं हिप्नो में क्या होता है, देखते हैं इंटेलिजेंट कहती है वो यार बूना ऐसे कह रहा था, एंड शी टॉक्स लाइक दैट बाय द वे, जसमीत टॉक्स लाइक दिस, शी इज अ वेरी टॉम बॉयश, ठीक है. सो जसमीत ऐसे कि यार देखते हैं ना यार, वो कह रहा है कि आपके ना पास्ट लाइफ की वजह से सफरिंग चल रही है, पास्ट लाइफ जाके देखेंगे यार, मैंने पास्ट लाइफ देखी थी और उसमें ना ये निकला है. मतलब है पास्ट लाइफ कैसे देखते हैं, उसने कहा नहीं यार पास्ट लाइफ भी होती हैं यार, मेरे को सही लगा. वो बात ही ऐसे करती है लिट्टो. कभी आप जसमीत, कभी भगवान करेगा तो कभी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी, मैं आपको मिलवाऊंगा, बोलोगे अरे ये तो वैसी बात कर रही है. शी पुश्ड मी, ओके, एंड आई वाज लाइक कि चलो देखते हैं क्या होगा. 20-25 हज़ार की पहली वर्कशॉप थी वो, तो हमने कहा चलो 20-25,000 कोई बात नहीं. मैंने अटेंड किया वो वर्कशॉप, एंड माई एंटायर माइंड ओपनड अप टू अ डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड. आई वाज लाइक व्हाट द हेल, ये कौन सी दुनिया है भाई, ये भी होता है. एंड देन इन हिप्नोसिस, so Sandeep is also a hypnotherapist sitting here. So in hypnosis, when we go into trance and when we see our, let's say, our past lives, ये बहुत पुरानी methodology है healing की, अब बहुत कम काम करती है, but just letting you know. तो when we see all these images ना, उस टाइम पे आपको लग नहीं रहा होता ये यार ये random imagery है दिमाग की, ये reality नहीं हो सकती. So when you come out of it, no, you are in conflict with yourself. ये मैंने क्या देखा है, what is this? No, I don't believe it. But मैंने देखा है तो feel हो रहा था. I could feel myself being there. What? So you were very confused. But what I remember was that once I got exposed to that world, I started learning more. And guess what? Harmeet did not continue after level 1. There is 4 or 5 levels. हरमीत पहली बारी, हरमीत कह रहा हूँ सॉरी, जसमीत पहली बारी में आके चली गई, वो गई ही नहीं लेवल 2 लेवल 3 के लिए, और मैंने सारे लेवल्स कंप्लीट किए. मेरे को 5 सर्टिफिकेट्स पड़े हुए इसके डिप्लोमा के साथ. सो द पॉइंट हियर इज कि जिसकी जर्नी होती है, जिसका हीलिंग का टाइम आता है, भगवान उसको कहीं ना कहीं से पुश करके पहुंचा देते हैं वहां पे. पर अगर आपकी हीलिंग का टाइम नहीं आया है तो आप अच्छे से अच्छे अपॉर्चुनिटी को खराब कर दोगे, सत्यानाश, बिकॉज आपकी हीलिंग का टाइम नहीं आया. बट देयर इज वन थिंग हियर दैट कैन चेंज एवरीथिंग, एंड लिसन टू मी वेरी क्लोजली. व्हाई द पर्सन हु वाज बोर्न टू एंड द महाभारत युद्ध स्टिल हैड टू बी मोटिवेटेड, lost all hope? Why Arjun had to be motivated and given the gyan? Because even if you have it in your destiny, you still have to take the action. You still have to take a decision. So that's where willpower changes everything. The day you decide, I don't want to suffer, I'm done with this, I want to move on, that day a new version of you is born. Now, moving on to the next one. Again, raise your hand. Put it on your heart. Sit straight. Eyes closed. Take a deep breath. आपकी बार इनहेल और सारे फियर को एक्सेल करेंगे जोर से. Make an intention. I'm letting go of all the fears. Through my breath, I'm exhaling all the fears from my body and I feel lighter. One more time. Inhale, and I'm exhaling all doubts from my body and I feel lighter. Release doubts. Release fear. Release doubts. And one more time, bring your focus on your heartbeat. Feel the gentle connection between the palm of your hand and the heartbeat. And now, I want you to let your body complete this sentence. If I acted from belief instead of fear, I would do. If I acted from belief instead of fear, I would do this. And then let the answer come from your body. तेज आंसर आ गया जयेश. It's your head talking. You're not connected with the body. Connect with your body once. इतनी जल्दी आंसर नहीं आता. If I acted from belief instead of fear, I would do what? And let the sentence complete. कमल ओवरथिंकिंग चल रही है, दिमाग से सोच रहे हो, नॉट कनेक्टेड विद द बॉडी. बॉडी नेवर आंसर्स इन वन वर्ड. बॉडी कभी एक वर्ड में आंसर देती नहीं है. पिछले वाला याद करो, एक वर्ड का आंसर नहीं आया था. अगर नहीं आ रहा है, रीफ्रेम द क्वेश्चन. इफ आई एक्टेड फ्रॉम बिलीफ इंस्टेड ऑफ फियर, व्हाट वुड आई डू? And then let your body answer. One more time, hand on your heart, connect with the body. Let the answer come from the subconscious mind. Once you have the answer, write down in the chat. Yeah, very good, Nidhi. I will conquer everything. Beautiful. That's the kind of answers you get from your subconscious. Everybody who got the answer, please write down the remaining. I will do whatever it takes. Very good, Subir. Motivate tons of people. Beautiful. Travel and create short films. Very good. Very nice. So this is your deep inner calling which is coming out. Would expand enormously and my mind would execute with laser-like precision. Okay, nice. Get married this year. Wonderful, Abhimanyu. So you see your fear is the one that's holding you back. But Pooja, you're going in the past. Present में आ जाओ. You're thinking from the past. Answer present के हिसाब से देना है.
My past is somehow very much my present at the moment.
Then you haven't
So-
told it. You have to let go. Disconnect. बार-बार chords create कर लेती हो whenever you think about.
I have my court cases going. I have one tomorrow. I have one on
Hatred की
Monday.
भी chords होती है. वो भी
So
black
every
ही है.
day, every time there is something which is coming up, and I have to prepare and I have to revisit the past. I have to prepare the case. I have to prepare the arguments. I have
You
to collect
still
everything.
have to
So
stay
that
in the
is why.
present. You still have to stay in the present. You still have to cut your cords. Are you feeling limited right now or abundant? If the answer is limited, then you've limited yourself. Choose to be abundant. That is the mindset change. Now you understand why we were talking about all of this. Your past will always take you back. Again, it's not your fault. This is the conditioning of the brain. Are we clear? Everybody. You see how this actually makes you feel कि ये तो यार ये तो सही में genuine है. Genuine नहीं है. You're choosing to be limited. Okay? Storytelling, go all in. I will succeed in my life. Very good. Leave the job, open up to the world, start documenting. Beautiful. Keep going without any regrets. Learn, practice, prepare. Take it personally. Good. I will have amazing relationship, personal and professional life. And currently I don't when I operate out of fear. Okay. So what is the realization here? That anything and everything you do with doubts or fear will always limit your life. Do we understand? Anything and everything. जो भी fear based है, it can never give you a productive result in life. Possible ही नहीं है. And that's exactly the opposite of abundance mindset. Abundance mindset क्या कहता है? Even if I fail, I'm still learning. I'm still growing. It's okay. What do I need to do to be more capable? What do I need to do to avoid this in the future? यानी कि everything is a learning, everything is growth, everything is taking you up. Got it? Everybody? Yeah? So this 5-minute abundance rewiring mindset that you need to do, and this is something that you can do every single day. 5 minutes is all it takes. Sit quietly, no phone, ask yourself, what am I avoiding because of fear? Why do I have this fear? This will give you another level of insight. Okay, when we go into the coaching program, the healing program, all the coaches will learn how to exactly overcome this fear. ठीक है, fear की reprogramming subconscious में कैसे की जाती है. And one sentence, if I acted from belief instead of fear, what would I do? And you just need to take one small action in that direction. क्या मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है कि सिर्फ कोचेज ही हील कर सकते हैं अपने आप को? नहीं. अगेन वो भी लिमिटेशन होगी. You can also heal yourself. There are ways. Okay? But of course, there are faster ways also. So, abundance grows through action, not affirmation. That's why affirmations don't work for a lot of people. जो कि बोल रहे हैं I am abundant, but they are not taking the action of abundance. ग्रोथ पे इन्वेस्ट नहीं करोगे तो abundant कैसे बनोगे? मैं abundant हूं, बट लेकिन यार मैं कोई नया मॉडल नहीं स्टार्ट करना बिजनेस का ना. नहीं, ऐप बनाने में तो 1.5 लाख रुपए लग जाते हैं. नहीं यार, ऐप का पैसा कौन देगा? नहीं यार, एक टीम मेंबर हायर करना पड़ेगा. मुझे आता नहीं है बात करनी. क्या बात करूंगी मैं? कैसे बनाते हैं वेबसाइट? मुझे नहीं पता यार. अरे अच्छा, ये अगर मैं अपना कोर्स लॉन्च कर दूंगी तो उसकी मंथली फीस देनी पड़ेगी एलएमएस वालों को. नहीं यार, ये अच्छा रेजर पे का मैं अकाउंट बना लूंगी तो वहां पे 2% तो काट लेते हैं हर. यार ये क्या है? अच्छा, जीएसटी फाइलिंग भी करनी पड़ेगी, ये भी करना पड़ेगा. आप डरते हो तो एक्ट नहीं करते हो. बट किसने बोला कि ये विद इन 2 months 3 months में आप सीख नहीं जाओगे? You can learn it, no? Have you not learned to speak every language? With every year, have you not become very confident with it? When you just remember this, every single time you started something new, a new school, day one, you felt hesitant, you felt scared. Day one of college, confused, no clarity what to do, hesitation, anxiousness. Day one of new job, meeting somebody powerful for the first time, hesitation, anxiousness. That is your brain, Baba. Your brain is just telling you to be more prepared. Clear, everyone? So, let's come back. अब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ देने वाला हूँ. सो पीपल नो मी कि मेरा हमेशा लास्ट का जो हाफ एन आवर होता है ना, वो बहुत ही भयंकर होता है. ठीक है? I always and always give the maximum thing to people who stay. I love doing that. Okay? Why? Because now we are going to give you the laws of abundance. So decoding abundance at the deepest level. अगर आपने ये समझ लिया तो 2026 is yours. अगर हमने ये समझ लिया तो 2026 or even for the rest of your life, if you implement it, is yours. Nobody can stop you. So, I want you to quickly make an intention. Everybody, just hold your hold your head like this and tell your brain, boss, start focusing. I need more levels of focus. Bring your complete focus. हाँ, थोड़ा सा हमें नींद आ रही होगी, हो सकता है थोड़ी ठंड लग रही हो सकता है भूख लग रही हो सकता है बहुत देर से बैठे हुए हैं यार, बॉडी स्टिफ हो रही है. नेक्स्ट 15-20 मिनट्स के लिए पूरा फोकस यहाँ पे. मेक इट इंटेंशन. गॉट इट? Done? That's it. Open your eyes. So, decoding abundance. Laws of abundance क्या है? Decode करते हैं abundance को. Abundance is a state of complete safety and security. No matter what happens, ये state है. State क्या होता है? Frame of mind. No matter what happens, I am abundant. I believe in myself. Things always happen to me. My life is abundant. Things always work out for me. I am completely safe, completely secure. Even if somebody made the most amount of money, I did not. That's okay. उनका अपना timeline है. I am happy for them. Complete safety and security. Somebody left me. It's okay. Good for them. They took the right decision for their life. Somebody will always come and love me. I have a lot of people in my life who I'm thankful for. I have gratitude for. Complete safety and security. Got it? Next. Abundance is a state of blessing others without fear. Giving without fear. A lot of my coaches come and tell me कि अमन इतने सारे coaches हो गए हैं मार्केट में और हम कैसे पैसा बनाएंगे. आई एम लाइक, आपके क्लाइंट भगवान ने पहले ही अलग करके रखे हैं, वो किसी और के पास जा ही नहीं सकते. जिनको आपको पैसा देना है वो आपको ही देंगे। इंडिया में 140 करोड़ लोग हैं, कितने कोचेस होंगे? 1 करोड़ कोचेस तो नहीं हो सकते, ठीक है? तो अगर 1 करोड़ कोच भी है तब भी हर एक के लिए कितने कितने करोड़ हुए? यू अंडरस्टैंड, ये तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, राइट? There is never lack of resources. The lack is always in your head because of fear. Fear is generated by amygdala. So you have to bless others without fear. Information देनी है, guidance देनी है, सबको दे दो. You don't know. When I started with my first masters, I gave so many free sessions all the time and I kept learning. I didn't even charge a single amount. क्योंकि मुझे एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए था, मैं कोई फ्री में हीलिंग लो 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 लो, हाँ हाँ हाँ, क्या हो रहा है बता देता यार, लेट मी हेल्प यू विद दिस। मेरी भी प्रैक्टिस चल रही है। Bless other without fear. Give all your information away. Help others. That's how the universe, because you are serving people, people are connected with the universe. Again, universe के laws हैं. The more you give blessing, blessing comes back to you. The more you send fear ka frequency, fear comes back to you. Get it? Abundance is a state of transformation to higher consciousness. Higher consciousness means that I am connected with the universe. All of us are one. At the energy level, all of us are one. The atomic theory, 8th grade science, everything is made up of matter. Matter is of two types, organic, inorganic. ठीक है? Organic मतलब living, inorganic मतलब non-living. Matter is further broken down into molecular composition. ठीक है? Na2Cl, sodium chloride, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, etc. Different, elements. Then we further break down and we get the atomic level. Atomic level is atoms, proton, positive charge, electron, negative charge, neutron, neutral charge, revolving around the center nucleus. All of us, ये जो देख रहे हो ना आप, neuroscientists have proven your brain is always processing. हम ऐसे नहीं हैं, हमारा कुछ भी सॉलिड नहीं है, ये सारा क्रिएटेड है, ये फीलिंग क्रिएटेड है। कुछ सॉलिड नहीं है हमारी बॉडी के अंदर, एवरीथिंग इज वाइब्रेटिंग एट अ सर्टेन फ्रीक्वेंसी। द मोमेंट यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू एंड आई are connected at this energy level, we are just one. That moment you understand, oh, that's why when somebody comes into a room, all of us, feel ke, oh, this person has a lot of aura, बड़ी positive energy है। कहाँ से आ रही है? Our subconscious is telling us, अरे कुछ है भाई, this person is different, this person is making sense, this person knows something I don't know, this person has something I really want. That's your higher consciousness inside telling you. There's something called as collective consciousness. कभी फ्री होके बात करेंगे, बहुत ही बड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट है। Okay? A state transforming to higher consciousness. The moment you start serving the universe starts serving you. Abundance is a state of love, compassion, and joy. You have to always show love and compassion and joy. In whatever I'm doing right now, I'm happy. It's all good. लोग कहते हैं कि नेगेटिव कर्मा कैसे आता है? You will always connect negative karma if you don't have any love or compassion or joy. अगर आप कुछ भी करोगे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आजकल स्पिरिचुअलिटी में चलता है कि नाम जप करो, है ना? प्रेमानंद जी महाराज एंड एवरीबडी, राइट? दैट्स ऑल गुड, आई लव हिम टू। बट द फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज, अगर आप उसको बिना, जब लव और फीलिंग्स के साथ करते हो तो वो एलिवेट हो जाता है। बिना उसके करते हो, आपका काम आप करते हो एवरी डे, यू डूइंग द वर्क विदाउट एनी लव, without any compassion for your work, it turns into neutral karma or no karma. If you do anything bad with it, when you don't have compassion, you end up doing the wrong things. Do we agree, disagree? Indirectly, unknowingly, unintentionally, वो गलत हो जाएगा। You collect negative karma, यानी कि गलत यूनिवर्स में चला गया intention. It will always come back to you. So you have to operate out of love, compassion, and joy, even if you don't get anything out of it. Abundance is transcendence in higher vision. Higher vision क्या है? Transcendence to higher vision. Don't think about the present always. एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूं। हम लोग बाहर जाते हैं, you will get these भिखारीज या beggars, उनको हम 10 रुपए, 50 रुपए, 100 रुपए नहीं देते। यार मेरे पास 100 रुपए ही पड़े थे, नहीं आई कांट गिव। वी नेवर डोनेट कि नहीं यार मेरे को कम पड़ जाएंगे। टेल मी वन थिंग, डू यू रिमेंबर कि आपने 3 साल पहले किसको क्या डोनेट किया था? डू यू रिमेंबर कि आपने 1 महीना पहले किसी अगर बैगर को कुछ पैसे दिए थे, आपके अकाउंट से कहां चले गए? क्या फर्क पड़ा आपकी लाइफ में? एट दैट मोमेंट यू आर ऑपरेटिंग आउट ऑफ अ स्कार्सिटी माइंडसेट. दे दो यार 50 रुपए, खुश हो जाएगा वो. 50 रुपए कोई नहीं देता. ये लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर थर्ड जेंडर्स, इनको कभी देके देखो 50 या 100 रुपए कितनी ब्लेसिंग देके जाते हैं, इतने हैप्पी होके. इनको अपना घर पालना है, इनके पास कोई और है ही नहीं, मीन्स ही नहीं है. ट्रांसेंडेंस इन द हायर विजन का मतलब ये, अभी मैं लव कंपैशन की बात कर रहा हूँ बाय द वे, ठीक है. हायर विजन का मतलब है छोटी बात को आज के लिए मत देखो, फ्यूचर के लिए देखो हमेशा, कि ये 100 रुपए जो मैं दे रहा हूं मुझे कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा इन द फ्यूचर? नहीं पड़ेगा. बट हम आज रुक जाते हैं कि छोड़ो यार, दे दो. Abundance is a state of blessing others without fear of the future. You understand? Second point here. That's where everything is connected. Guys, are you with me? Write down yes in the chat अगर समझ में आ रहा है कि abundance क्या है. हम बहुत डीप जा रहे हैं abundance के साथ. तभी लोगों को लग रहा होगा अरे abundance क्यों नहीं कर पाते. बहुत डीप है भाई. People don't know what the hell they are talking about. लोगों को पता ही नहीं है ये है क्या. स्पिरिचुअल लेवल पे, साइकोलॉजिकल लेवल पे, डू यू सी हाउ वास्ट इट इज, हाउ इंटेंस इट इज. All of us are making these mistakes. When I started reading about it, like, what the hell? Even I make these mistakes here. Because we are stuck in the trap. We are programmed to be powerless. Next. Always begin in touch with your deeper self. Abundance is always being in touch with your deeper self. Hence, the inner room. What does your inner room have? None of you said I felt abundant. None of you said I felt love. अब आ रहा है समझ में क्या हुआ? जॉय था, अच्छी बात है. एक दो लोगों के जॉय आया, हैप्पीनेस आई, गुड. सही जा रहे हो आप, इसका मतलब सही डायरेक्शन में हो. काफी काम कर लिया है. पर जिसको प्यार नहीं आया ना, उसका सेल्फ लव मिसिंग है लाइफ में. जिसका पीस नहीं आया ना इनर रूम में, उसका सेटिस्फैक्शन मिसिंग है लाइफ में. अंडरस्टूड? क्या था ये, क्यों करवाई थी? नेक्स्ट. abundance means success that includes money, but success with happiness needs an abundance mindset. Success का मतलब होता है पैसा, respect. But when you get success with happiness, you need an abundance mindset for this. Example, Mr. Ratan Tata, late Mr. Ratan Tata. उनसे बड़ा कोई abundant इंसान था ही नहीं भाई philanthropy में. And look at the Ambanis and Adanis. Adani might be super rich. Ambanis might be super rich. Have you seen Ambani family? They're not happy. Have you seen his wife mistreating him? The richest man in India getting mistreated in physical events by his own family, by his own wife. And then his son is also, sadly, dealing with health issues. You get it? Success है, abundance के साथ नहीं है. And look at Mr. Tata. How did he die? You see what happened when he passed away? The entire country was mourning. Do you think the country will mourn if Adani or Ambani dies tomorrow? Now do you get what abundance is? Clear हो रहा है? क्या है? You have to bless people while being safe and secure. No fear. Higher consciousness में जाओ. Spread love, compassion, joy. आगे का सोचो, हायर विजन. अभी का मत देखो क्या है ये. लुक एट द फ्यूचर ऑलवेज. Abundance mindset is spreading happiness and sharing your gifts. What are your gifts that you really have? And are you sharing those gifts with the world? Share your gifts. All of us have a gift. All of us are special. But are you sharing your gift? Are you doing the best you can? Or are you going to live your life and at the deathbed you're going to think, काश मैं कर लेता, तब तो एनर्जी नहीं है. ऐसी काट दिया यार, लास्ट के 10 साल ऐसी बीमारी में ही चले गए. कैसे ठीक करते हैं बीमारी को? वरी में ही चले गए, क्या करूं? That's why I tell you, don't be limited. Past will always drag you back. That's your programming. So abundance is generosity and gratitude for whatever I have today. I'm still blessed. Thank you God. इससे बुरा भी हो सकता था. लिम्स क्या पता ना होते, कोई और भयंकर बीमारी हो जाती है। नहीं है ना, छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम है ना, सक्सेस की है ना। डू यू सी ये क्या है? इट्स वेरी पावरफुल। ओके, सो लेट्स डू नाउ अ पावरफुल अबंडेंस टेक्निक। ओके, इसके लिए हम एक, ये लास्ट टेक्निक है ऑफ द डे। ऑल राइट, सो दिस वन इज वेरी वेरी पावरफुल। दिस इज हैज एवरीथिंग टू डू विद, चलो मैं कैसे बताऊं यार। आज एक बड़ी यूनिक सी मैं आपको स्टेट पे लेके जाऊंगा। ये स्टेट मैं अपनी डीप मेडिटेशन में करता हूँ। ये मैं किसी को बताता नहीं हूँ बाय द वे, बट मैं आज शेयर कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज मेरे को गाइडेंस थी कि आज बता दे। क्या? बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू बी लिमिटेड, आई ऑल्सो वांट टू बी अबंडेंट। आपकी कॉन्शियसनेस को हाई लेवल पे कैसे लेके जाते हैं, अपने सबकॉन्शियस की प्रोडक्टिविटी कैसे बढ़ाते हैं, अपने सबकॉन्शियस की एबिलिटी टू सी थिंग्स मोर क्लियरली कैसे बढ़ाते हैं, ये कि वो सवाल है हमने कभी सोचे भी नहीं होंगे, राइट? You never thought of these questions. How many of us have never thought of these questions? It's okay. कुछ टाइम तक मैं भी नहीं कर रहा था. But then I was exposed to something. I was like, okay. Then I started going deep. I started realizing what this practice is. It's out of this world. कई लोग ये शायद पहली बारी में कर पाएंगे, कई लोग नहीं कर पाएंगे. It's okay. प्रेशर नहीं डालना. Are we clear? नहीं हो रहा, इतना फीलिंग नहीं हो रहा. जितनी फीलिंग हो रही है वो आपका फर्स्ट एक्सपोजर है. परफेक्शन माइंडसेट में नहीं जाना है. Are we clear? Now listen to me what we are going to do. Remember I told you at the energy level all of us are one. We're all energy. तो जो विंड है, जो एयर है, वो भी एनर्जी है. अपना हाथ हिलाओ, देखो थोड़ी सी फील हो रही है हवा आसपास, ये सेंसेशन पता है? अब अगर आप इस लाइटनेस में, इस एयरी स्टेट में चले जाते तो कैसा फील होता? दैट्स कॉल्ड द नथिंग स्टेट. दैट्स कॉल्ड द स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग नथिंग. ये बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा एक बड़ा स्पिरिचुअल कॉन्सेप्ट है, ठीक है? नथिंगनेस की स्टेट में जाना होता है. देन यू, सो बेसिकली शिव पुराण से लिया है, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू. ओके, सो नथिंगनेस की स्टेट में जाना इज वेरी पावरफुल. इट माइट हैपन, इट मे नॉट हैपन. बी ओके टू बोथ. गॉट इट? नेक्स्ट, सेकेंड पॉइंट, वी विल डू द 5x5 ब्रीदिंग. डायफ्रामेटिक ब्रीदिंग करेंगे. डायफ्रामेटिक ब्रीदिंग क्या होती है? स्टमक ब्रीदिंग. Inhale, inflate your stomach, deflate and your stomach and exhale through the mouth. Clear? When you go into the nothing state, you have to feel nothing, you have to think of nothing. That might be a little difficult. Okay? But abundance में जाने के लिए, cosmic से connect करने के लिए ये करना पड़ेगा. Because we have to release, remember all these emotions and heart deep things that we've gotten on the surface. Awareness में है ना, release भी तो करना है ना. You want to release all the negativity, yes or no? Do you want to feel lighter? Do you want to feel better? Yes or no? Yeah? So be ready to release and receive. So we'll go into the nothingness state. Everybody, please close your eyes. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. One more time. Sit straight, neck straight, back straight, shoulders back, arms and hands relaxed. Keep your eyes closed. You will only open your eyes now when I ask you to. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And inflate your stomach. Exhale and deflate your stomach. Inhale and inflate your stomach. And exhale, deflate your stomach. Inhale and inflate your stomach. Exhale and deflate your stomach. Keep your eyes closed. Focus on my voice. Allow me to guide you. Keep breathing through the stomach. Exhale completely through the mouth. Build a rhythm. And I want you to now bring your complete focus on your body. Feel the weight of your body, whether you're sitting on a chair, on the bed. Notice how your weight feels as it touches these surfaces. Be in complete focus of your body, being present in this moment. And I want you to now think, feel, or imagine that you're now becoming like air. Your entire body is dissolving into the air around you. And slowly, steadily, all these body feelings of the touch and the feel of the bed, of the chair, of the ground that your feet touch is slowly melting away. And all that you see, all that you feel is nothingness. I want you to repeat this sentence inside your mind. I am nothing, and I'm connected with everything. I am nothing, and I'm connected with everything. As you say this, feel your body weight melting away into the air. Feel yourself becoming completely lighter, as if there is no weight, there is no touch. And repeat, I am nothing, and I'm connected with everything. Keep repeating this. Feel the state becoming more and more intense, and you start feeling nothing around you. And keep saying, I am nothing, and I am connected with everything. And as you feel this nothingness state growing, keep breathing out gently through the mouth. And now make an intention that I'm ready to release all the negative feelings, the fears holding me back. I'm ready to receive abundance in my life. I'm ready to release all the fears, negative feelings holding me back. And I'm ready to receive abundance. As you say this, I want you to now repeat after me. I now release everything holding me back from receiving more love, more abundance, and more joy in my life now. I now release everything holding me back from receiving more love, more abundance, and more joy in my life now. I now release everything holding me back from receiving more love, more abundance, and more joy in my life now. I am open. I am worthy. And I am loved. I am open. I am worthy. And I am loved. I am open. I am worthy. And I am abundant. I now release everything holding me back from receiving more love, more abundance, and more joy in my life now. I am open, I am worthy, and I am loved. Very good. Everybody, please gently open your eyes. Take a deep breath with me. Open your eyes, take a deep breath, and release. One more time. Inhale and release. Okay, quickly write down in the chat, what did you have for breakfast today? Write down in the chat, what did you have for breakfast today? अभी स्टेट से बाहर भी तो लेके आएंगे. पोहा, इडली, दलिया, only milk, sweet potato, milk and nuts, chila, oats. Very nice. Okay. Let's start a few sharing. I would love to hear, how did you feel after this one? We are going to cook after session. मैं तो breakfast का पूछ रहा हूँ यार, कमल. I'm asking सुबह क्या खाया था? I know भूख लगी हुई है. 5-10 more minutes, we are wrapping up the session. You can go and eat after this. Okay. Who would like to share? How was the overall experience? What did you feel in the nothingness state? Okay, how many of us achieved that nothingness state? कि feel हुआ कि हाँ यार कुछ different है. Okay, we'll start with you, Sana. Okay, please share. How was it?
First of all, it was a unique experience because I was able to see myself, ऐसे वो literally in the form of air.
Very good. Melting away.
अचानक से आप एकदम हाँ melting away, like अब कुछ नहीं है, अंदर कुछ नहीं है, जो भी डर या darkness या कुछ भी, like you can see that there is nothing at all.
And how did that feel? Being nothing.
It was great actually. Great. That is what I can say.
So what did you realize in the overall, after the state, the entire therapy? How did that make you feel?
I'm feeling very calm and relaxed right now.
Mm.
Because from last 1 week I'm not able to sleep, but I'm already feeling sleepy already. I'm not sure if you noticed it, but I was yawning
That's
the whole
okay.
session like 4-5 times. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So see, couple of things here, Sana. Number one, that state of nothingness, when you feel melting away, is a very rare state. So I don't know how many of you experienced this, but did you notice that all in that nothingness state, there was no fear, there was no heaviness, there were no thoughts. Realize kiya?
Hmm.
Till the time you're not nothing, you cannot be abundant in everything. Are we clear? Okay. So number one, that. Number two is you've also realized that in that state of being nothing, and when we have done the entire prayer जो हम कर रहे थे, ठीक है, that I now release. Did you feel any energy coming back to you? Did you feel any energy coming back to you? या कुछ release feel हुआ, कोई energy leaving or coming back?
More than incoming, it was releasing.
Hmm.
It was releasing. Like everything is just going out.
Very good. And how did that make you feel?
It was very calming, very soothing. Like in that moment, I felt like कुछ भी मतलब like everything is just okay. Like कुछ ऐसा है नहीं जितना कुछ हमारे दिमाग में या इसमें चल रहा है, but ऐसा कुछ exist ही नहीं करता है.
Very good. That's a powerful realization, right? Nothing is here. It's just what we are creating out of it. Okay. All right. Everybody quickly unmute. Say congratulations to Sana for the healing.
Congratulations, Sana, for the healing.
Congratulations, Sana.
Congratulations, Sana, for the healing.
Very good. Always bless others. Okay. Whatever energy you send is what you always get back. Yes. Who was the other one? Nidhi, right? Yeah, Nidhi, how was it for you? Batao. Let me just put you on the.
It was amazing. मुझे नथिंगनेस मतलब अपने हाथ भी फील नहीं हो रहे थे और मुझे पहले सब कुछ ब्लू ब्लू नजर आ रहा था, फिर उसके बाद जब सब कुछ रिलीज हुआ तो वाइट आइज के अंदर जब आप कलर्स फील करते हैं, अर्लियर इट वाज डार्क ब्लू, फिर देन इट बिकेम लाइट ब्लू, इट बिकेम वाइट देन.
Wow.
So this is what I experienced.
And how did that make you
So
feel
it
in
was
the
good.
body when you came out of it?
मुझे अभी थोड़ा लाइट फील हो रहा है. इनफैक्ट कल से मुझे फीवर है, but right now I'm feeling very relaxed.
Okay, good to hear that.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody say congratulations to Nidhi for the healing.
Congratulations.
Congratulations,
Nidhi.
Nidhi, for the
Everyone.
healing.
Congratulations, Nidhi.
Okay, so while I'm doing all the sharing, please do write down how are you guys feeling. So we'll go to Sandeep right now. Sandeep, tell me more about this exact feeling that you're talking about.
भैया सबसे पहले तो पता नहीं नथिंगनेस की फीलिंग आई, स्टार्ट हुई, एंड somehow I realized some blunders which I have made in past, जहाँ पे मुझे embarrassing मोमेंट बहुत ज्यादा फील हुए, और जहाँ पे मैंने कुछ गलतियां की थी या फिर लोगों ने मेरा मजाक बनाया था, वो सारे मोमेंट्स पता नहीं कहाँ से एकदम से आ गए. और उसी के साथ मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगा कि कहीं ना कहीं रिलीज होने के लिए आए हैं.
Exactly.
But-
Good. I like that you
Yeah.
understood that. So did you see guys what happened? We talked about fears. हमने क्या बोला था? Fears holding me back. तो body ने exactly वो release किया. हाँ, well done, Sandeep. And what else did you
Yeah.
realize? Congratulations on that. What else did you realize?
उसी के अलावा काफी डेफिनेटली इट वाज एन आई ओपनिंग सेशन, और वो कहते हैं ना, धागे खोल दिया आपने आज एक एक कॉन्सेप्ट के. एंड बहुत टाइम से वेट था ऐसा कुछ सेशन हो, और न्यू ईयर पे ऐसा स्टार्ट मिल गया है, तो डेफिनेटली 2026 को तो डोमिनेट करना ही है
Absolutely.
आपके साथ. एंड या थैंक यू सो मच भैया.
You're welcome. Everybody say congratulations to Sandeep for the healing.
Congratulations, Sandeep.
Congratulations, Sandeep,
Congratulations,
for the
Sandeep.
healing.
Okay, yeah. Pallavi, how was it for you?
It was quite nice. Matlab, I could like because I have been doing these kinds of things since a long time, so I could connect with it easily. And
Have
like
you
the
done
moment,
the
like
nothingness practice in the past?
yeah, like we have it in Shaivism. We have this practice, like the first meditation, जिसमें pause पे you
हाँ.
have to focus and you
Correct.
have to
हाँ,
expand that
Shaivism.
pause.
Correct.
ना?
हाँ, ठीक है. Good.
तो वैसा ही मतलब I could relate with that. So मतलब I because there have been so many things going on in my head that it was always a good thing for me to revisit this practice. I got reminded of it again that oh yeah, I can do that.
So did you
So
see
yeah,
any energy going away or coming back? What did you feel then?
yeah, I could immediately like the moment you said that we need to release. I immediately felt so something just going out of my chest, like a release was there. and
Hmm.
I felt emotional as if I had been holding it for very long.
Exactly.
And I felt it, and I felt like crying and weeping actually. Okay,
Hmm.
okay, it's all right, let it go. You don't need to hold that kind of a thing.
Very
So
good.
that thing happened for me. So that was quite
Beautiful point.
perspective giving.
So, it's definitely a perspective. Everybody, I want you to quickly write down if you felt the same thing, something leaving your body. How many of us felt that way? Quickly write down in the chat. I'll tell you what exactly happened there. Okay? Quickly write down in the chat what all happened there. So, Pallavi, when you thought about this, that something left me and I was holding on to it, what exactly was that feeling?
It was like that, those expectations and those that we create, that standards that we have in our head,
Hmm.
कि ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है, तभी ये चीजें मिलेंगी
Hmm.
लाइफ में,
Meaning
वरना
making.
नहीं आप मूव फॉरवर्ड कर. मीनिंग मेकिंग, या
Correct.
एग्जैक्टली.
ठीक है.
So those that it's okay, and I can trust my inner guide, that inner
Hmm.
wisdom, that middle mind, that we have.
Hmm.
Basically, that it's okay to trust yourself, and you have been right many times. It's just you got scared and you got afraid, and you did not allow that inner knowing to come forward. So now it's
Hmm.
time to respect that and allow that to bloom forward, basically.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful. So, couple of things here. Okay. Of course, you identified it correctly that this is meaning making. I want everybody to also understand a few things here. The nothingness state automatically melts away your ego or your identity. जो हमारे ब्लॉक्स हैं ना सारे फियर्स के, नथिंगनेस स्टेट में जाते ही रिलीज होने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि वहां पे हमारी आइडेंटिटी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती. आर यू रिलेटिंग विद इट नाउ? व्हाई वाज इट गेटिंग रिलीज्ड? क्यों हो रहा था? The moment we say, I am something and I'm this, I'm holding on to this body, I'm holding on to all the fears, all the experiences of this body. The moment I say, no, I'm nothing. अब मैं नथिंगनेस की स्टेट में, अब मैं फ्री हूं अपने पास से. ये हुआ है क्योंकि पास में तुम सारा पेन रख के बैठे हैं ना. जो एक्सपेक्टेशन बोली अभी पल्लवी ने, वो तो हमने प्रेजेंट में लाके रखी है. वो पास से तो आ रही है. ये नहीं हुआ था, ऐसे होना चाहिए, तब मुझे ऐसा फील होगा. छोड़ दिया.
And here I just want to add one very small thing. Many when I did past life regression ka course like 3 years back or something. Again, it was very perspective opening. But क्या हुआ मेरे साथ, मतलब क्या हुआ कि when I did that, I suddenly started realizing that oh, life has no meaning. फिर करने का कुछ फायदा ही क्या है? If there is nothing, I went on the other side of the spectrum. But then I am like कि यार नहीं, मतलब that is up to me ना, कि whether I want to go into that end or the other end of creation.
That's
So
why you need to
that kind of thing
transform
was
yourself to
happening.
higher consciousness. तभी higher consciousness. Now you understand the laws of abundance. Abundance is super huge. आज मैंने जितना आपको पढ़ाया है, दैट इज 50-60% ऑफ अबंडेंस. लेट मी टेल यू दैट. ठीक है. और अभी हम थेरेपीज जो मैं थोड़ा सा आपको मैंने अभी एक्सरसाइज करवाई हैं 2-3, इसमें और भी डीप है, और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. ओके. सो पल्लवी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग दैट. एवरीबडी प्लीज से कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू पल्लवी फॉर द हीलिंग.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Pallavi, for the healing.
Congratulations.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing. Who was there? Somebody who did not or was not able to do it properly? Blue and white particles. So that's a good thing. हाँ कमल, क्या एक बार बताओ जरा, और क्या फीलिंग है इसके अलावा? Go ahead.
मुझे स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही है आपकी, पता नहीं क्या हो गया अचानक से.
I put you on spotlight. Okay. Let's do that again. I think वो लेफ्ट या राइट जूम में चले गए होंगे. Okay. Go ahead.
अभी आ गया वापस.
हाँ बताओ.
तो जब पहला स्टेट था अपना, तो मैं फील कर रहा था बिल्कुल डिसॉल्व हो रहा हूँ, बिल्कुल माइक्रो, जैसे आजकल ऐड दिखाते हैं ना, सर्प वाले ऐड दिखाते हैं, ऐसे करके मैं
हाँ.
जा रहा था स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स में.
Very good.
उसके बाद फिर बिल्कुल जीरो स्टेट जब आई थी तो कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा था, सब कुछ ब्लैंक
वेरी गुड।
ऐसे हो। तो लग रहा था कि हाँ। और अमन, मैं आपको थैंक यू बोलना चाहूंगा, जब से मैंने 2 वीक से ज्वाइन किया हुआ है मैं बिल्कुल बिंदास हो गया हूँ।
ओके, हैप्पी टू।
और जो भी चाहता हूँ वो मतलब मैं, लगता है हाँ सब कुछ ठीक हो रहा है, और हो रहा है, सब कुछ ठीक हो रहा है,
सो
सब कुछ
लाइक आई
ठीक।
सेड कि
मेरे
हीलिंग का
इमोशन
टाइम आ रहा है।
काफी सारी चीजें थी जो मुझे 25 में मैंने छोड़ दी है, और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। इस बार 31 को और फर्स्ट को मैंने कुछ ऐसा किया है कि जो मैं पिछले 40 सालों से बाउंडेड था कि इस बार मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ा, डोंट केयर।
वेरी
सो
नाइस।
आई वाज फीलिंग वेरी रिलैक्स्ड, और मैं आपको ईमेल भी किया था, मैं समहाउ कर नहीं पा रहा था बिकॉज आई एम इन कनाडा, तो मेरे बैंक वो नहीं कर पा रहा था। सो
श्योर।
वो प्लीज ईमेल पे आप मुझे करा दीजिएगा, उसके लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Okay, you're welcome, and I'm happy to hear this about the transition. Tell me what was this exactly 31st को कहाँ क्या limitation break की
31
है?
को ऐसे हुआ था, पहले ना मुझे फील होता था कि मैं कॉल करूं कोई मुझे करे।
हाँ।
इस बार मैंने किसी को नहीं किया, उसको किया जिसने मुझे।
वेरी गुड।
और जिससे क्या हुआ कि मैंने वो समय अपनी फैमिली को, बच्चों के साथ रात को 2-2:30 बजे तक हमने चिल किया, मस्ती किया। तो वो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा, यार ये चीज जो मैं एक्सपेक्ट करता था वो नहीं
हाँ,
करना चाहिए। तो दैट वाज द वेरी बिगेस्ट थिंग कि जो मुझे अच्छा लगा। और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ इस बार 31 पे।
गुड। तो ये क्या है,
हाँ।
हमने अपनी सेल्फ वर्थ बढ़ाई है। My
हम्म।
self worth is not dependent on pleasing somebody else now. I am responsible for my own happiness.
यस।
तो I will now choose better. आपका ये आया यहाँ पे, है ना?
यस।
Very good. Everybody say congratulations to Kamal for the healing.
Congratulations.
Congratulations,
Kamal.
Kamal ji, for the
Congratulations,
healing.
Kamal.
Congratulations.
Well done. Sorry, you can unmute. हाँ जी, क्या कह रहे थे? You were saying something. Unmute करके बोल दो एक बार, unmute.
फिर चला गया स्क्रीन, पता नहीं कैसे।
कोई बात नहीं, आप बोलो, I'm listening. हाँ।
ठीक है, मैं अभी ऐसा फील करने लगा हूँ दोबारा से कि मैं बीच में 25 साल का जब मैं था, एंड एट दैट टाइम आई वाज इन यूके। उस समय लगता था मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, जो चाहूँ वो मैं प्राप्त कर सकता हूँ, ले सकता हूँ। सो वो 25 साल के बाद में लाइफ कुछ ऐसे टर्न अराउंड हुई मेरी, तो वो चीज लॉस्ट हो गया था, मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा था। बट अभी ना वो चीज मैं वो दोबारा से फील कर रहा हूँ कि दैट
Wow.
हैप्पीनेस जो मैंने लॉस्ट किया था, स्माइल, हैप्पीनेस, फर्क नहीं पड़ना, बिंदास जीवन जीने का, वो मैं अब फील करने लगा।
वेरी गुड। हीलिंग का टाइम आ गया है। तो यानी कि
हाँ।
स्टक थे 25 साल से। कमल।
हाँ, मैं 15 साल से स्टक था
हाँ,
ये
15
लगाने के
साल
लिए।
से। तो गुड, गुड टू हियर दैट। कंग्रेचुलेशंस अगेन। ओके, वेल डन।
थैंक यू।
अगेन पीपल हैव टू बी एट द राइट प्लेस एट द राइट टाइम। ओके, आपको वो डिसीजन लेना पड़ता है। मैं हर बार बोलता हूँ अपनी सारी टीम को, मैं दिखाता हूँ कि देखो कोचेस जिनकी हीलिंग आएगी वो रुकेंगे एंड तक, क्योंकि अभी एक और सरप्राइज था। ठीक है, तो आंसरिंग कमल्स पॉइंट, कमल मुझे पता है कि यू बीन ट्राइंग टू गेट इन टच विद माय टीम और वो कॉल बुक करने के लिए। आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू एन अपॉर्चुनिटी राइट नाउ। ठीक है, वो फ्री में करवाएंगे आपको, डोंट वरी, बिकॉज यू पुट इन दैट एफर्ट एंड आई लाइक पीपल हु पुट इन एफर्ट्स। सुबीर बताइए, एक बार सुबीर का ले लेते, क्या चैलेंजेस आए या क्या फील हुआ?
Hi,
हाँ जी, बताइए।
am I audible?
यस, टेल मी।
Yeah, actually, I didn't feel that release factor. वो release जो हुआ ना, वो मेरे को वो नहीं आया।
ठीक
और
है।
nothingness वाला भी मैंने visualize तो किया था,
हाँ,
but वो nothingness वाला वो नहीं हुआ, feel नहीं हुआ।
कोई बात नहीं। क्या फीलिंग हो
But
रही थी उस टाइम पे?
abundance के जो आपने जो जो चीजें बोले थे, वो जो
हाँ।
incorporate करना था,
हम्म।
तो वो सारा चीज मैंने बहुत अच्छे से फील किया।
ठीक है, गुड। सो
जो abundance वाला था, वो फील किया, release वाला फील नहीं किया।
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ठीक है, ये हर एक के लिए मैंने बोला था ना कि नथिंगनेस स्टेट इतनी आसानी से नहीं आती। ठीक है, सो डोंट वरी, वो और प्रैक्टिस से हो जाएगा।
हाँ,
प्रैक्टिस है
it
ये,
will
और
take
कुछ नहीं
time,
है।
not an issue.
या देखो, क्योंकि रिलीज हो गया है, बॉडी ने एक तो एक्सेप्ट कर लिया। बॉडी कह रही है कि यार ये कोई यूनिक स्टेट है, ये क्या है, यहाँ पे अभी नहीं पहुंचे हम। तो अभी जब ये बैच आएगा तो हीलिंग बैच में कवर हो जाएगा सर आपका। अभी हो जाएगा, जान के अंदर ही सब कुछ एकदम नेक्स्ट लेवल पे पहुंच जाओगे। अब 30 डेज में 30 ईयर्स की प्रोग्रेस। मेरा बड़ा सिंपल सा, आई हैव दिस बिग प्रॉमिस दैट आई गिव टू एवरीबडी। 30 डेज में 30 ईयर्स की प्रोग्रेस, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू दैट। ओके, सो
Thanks.
ओके,
Thank
वेल
you.
डन, वेल डन। हाँ जी पूजा, मैं आप पे आ रहा था, आपकी शक्ल देख रहा था मैं बहुत टाइम से। बताओ क्या हुआ, व्हाट हैपेंड?
I don't know. I was feeling very restless. I don't know if you noticed it. मैं
आई
बीच में
नोटिस्ड इट, आई नोटिस्ड।
I was getting very restless, very irritable, and the irritability was not in the entire body, but it was just confined to my hand. That was, I mean, the
लेफ्ट
that
वाला.
incident.
हाँ.
हाँ, वो यहीं पे आके रुकता है, एंड वो इरिटेबल हुआ, एंड जो रिलीज हुआ जब वो प्रेयर आई, आई एम वर्दी, आई एम रिलीजिंग इट, फिर एकदम से दिस थिंग जस्ट, आई जस्ट ड्रॉप्ड इट, बट आई वाज वेरी रेस्टलेस, आई वाज जस्ट scratching my face, and I was just, you know, like doing that. I don't know
नथिंग
what.
स्टेट में क्या हो रहा था उस टाइम पे?
I
नथिंगनेस
was
स्टेट
just
में गए थे या क्या चल रहा
nothingness में, मतलब मैं, I was trying myself. I was not pushing that hard. बट मुझे इरिटेशन बहुत हो रही है. I mean, I don't know. And yes, 31st वाली बात सुनकर मेरे को भी यही था. I have just 5 people in my life. I have thrown everybody out of my life.
That's okay.
Everybody. I
That's
don't
okay.
need it. I mean, I'm self-sufficient. तो वो I think maybe थोड़ा सा emotionally overwhelming हो रहा है कुछ and all that. But somehow I'm very happy with it. But वो release मेरे को वो उससे हुआ था, wherein I felt that release happening in this arm of mine. वो irritability and I don't know. Nothingness पे I was trying to go light, नहीं हुआ मेरे को. I was feeling very heavy on this arm, that trauma वाला arm. I don't know why.
If
And
I
then
if I tell you
के
something,
बाद
Pooja,
got easy.
if I tell you something, Pooja, then I'm going to tell you this indirectly. I will not tell you this directly. ठीक है? I'm sure you will be able to decode मैं क्या बोलने वाला हूँ. नंबर 1 कि कभी कभार जब हमारी लाइफ में एक पार्ट मिसिंग होता है, लेट्स से रिलेशनशिप डोमेन इज मिसिंग इन आवर लाइफ, तो हम अपने लास्ट ओरिजिनल स्टेट पे चले जाते हैं, लास्ट रिकॉल्ड स्टेट पे. कोचेस ध्यान से सुनेंगे मैं क्या बोलने वाला हूँ, ठीक है? अगर करंटली जैसे कि मेरे पास अभी इस टाइम पे लेट्स से पार्टनर नहीं है, मैं हाइपोथेटिकल बताता हूँ, मेरे पास पार्टनर नहीं है, तो मेरी कंपैरिजन हमेशा लास्ट वाले पार्टनर के साथ ही होगी. जब भी आप लास्ट वाले पार्टनर के साथ कंपैरिजन करते हो, आप उस टाइम पे, मैंने एक वीडियो अभी इस पे बनाया था, पोस्ट किया था मैंने इंस्टा पे, आप कभी भी नेगेटिव या एंड स्टेट को नहीं देखते हो. आप हमेशा मेरे पास क्या था और आज क्या मिसिंग है वो आप पे चले जाता है. ये क्लैश क्रिएट करता है. यू कम इन द स्टेट ऑफ अगेन स्कार्सिटी, मेरे पास नहीं है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई द मोमेंट वी से आई एम लव्ड, आई एम वैल्यूड, आई एम वर्दी, ये चला जाता है. तो ये सेल्फ रिमाइंडर है. व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल यू राइट नाउ इज दैट वॉइस इन योर हेड इज लाइंग टू यू. You are loved. You are appreciated. Look at all the people who send you all these amazing comments every day. The people who are liking every one of your video. आपको क्या लग रहा है वो लाइक क्यों कर रहे हैं? They can relate with you. हमें सिर्फ ये लगता है कि ये जो एक लाइक है ना, एक छोटा सा बटन, इसमें क्या है, बट वो इंसान आपके साथ इमोशनली कनेक्ट हुआ. क्या आपको किसी की बात अच्छी नहीं लग जाती? तभी तो आप डबल करते हो ना. यू अंडरस्टैंड? वो इमोशंस का कनेक्ट है. Are you with me? You have to broaden your gratitude. You are looking at what you don't have. The moment you look at what you have in life, ये दोनों exist कर ही नहीं सकते. Scarcity and gratitude. Okay? जहां तक रही बात.
Totally get this. Yes, I'm so sorry for this, but वो जो एक transitioning phase है ना, I mean, I still see that my transitioning and वो अभी हो रहा है. It's not complete, or I'm not even next to that closure also. But I do see that every day is a new challenge.
Why
I have
is
to
your
like,
happiness dependent on closure? ये अगेन लिमिटेड माइंडसेट है. आई एम अबंडेंट टुडे, मेरी उससे बात होती है, जैसे दिन में एक बार कॉल पे अब लॉयर से बात हुई, बाकी टाइम तो मैं अपने साथ हूं ना. You have to create that happiness for yourself. Got it? Abundance mindset यही है. तो यही हो रहा है, लिमिटेड माइंडसेट से हम ऑपरेट करते हैं. एक भी प्रॉब्लम क्यों आ गई, अरे हो गया, पास की गलती हो गई यार, आगे बढ़ जाओ. अभी क्लियर? अबंडेंस आज हर दिन क्रिएट करो इन योर लाइफ. ओके, दैट्स व्हाट यू नीड टू डू. ओके, व्हाटएवर एनी डिटेल्स यू कैन सेंड मी अ वॉइस नोट, विल डिस्कस. ओके, ठीक है. पीपल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली मैं आपको एक कॉन्सेप्ट समझा देता हूं. अगर आपको आज से 6 महीने के बाद आपकी लाइफ अच्छी चाहिए, तो काम कब करोगे? 6 महीने के बाद. एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ. नहीं, लोग रिलेट नहीं करते हैं. बहुत लोग हैं भाई, यस बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं नहीं, बहुत लोग कह रहे हैं कि नहीं. मैं बताता हूँ क्या है. आपको गार्डन चाहिए, आपके घर के बाहर एक वरांडा है, आपको उसमें फ्लावर्स चाहिए ब्यूटीफुल, तो सीड कब डालोगे? आज. You understand? If you don't plant the seeds, you don't get the flowers. If you want the fruits, you have to ट्री बनने तक का वेट करना पड़ेगा बॉस, अगर फ्रूट्स चाहिए तो. So similarly, the fruits of life don't start just like that. So very importantly, I want you to understand something. Okay? If you want the tree with fruits, when should you plant the seed? If you want the efforts to give you some return, you want more money in your life, when should you start working? If you want your skills to be recognized globally, what are you going to do today to make it global? And if you want abundance in your life, if you feel you're being limited, something is holding me back, some invisible blocks, you have to start practicing abundance from today. Okay? I want you to quickly imagine yourself as a book. Imagine करो कि मेरी ये बुक है, मेरी लाइफ की बुक है. मैं कौन से पेज पे अटका हुआ हूं? Am I moving forward? या मेरा वो सेम पेजेस चल रहे हैं पुराने वाले? और क्या है उस पेज पे? कंफ्यूजन, फीलिंग स्टक, और फीलिंग मीडियोकर, या नॉर्मल, या अच्छा है लेकिन ठीक ठाक है, बट वो नहीं है जो मुझे चाहिए. So if you want to start a new chapter of life, when should you turn the page? जितनी जल्दी हो सके. चैप्टर तो लंबा है ना, टाइम लगेगा. Got it? Everybody? ठीक है? So, if you are truly ready for an abundant 2026 and you want to break through the inner barriers, this is your first step. I'm going to give you an opportunity right now. This is not for my coaches. This is for people who are just a part of the community, but who now want a deeper abundance. Okay? This is a transformational call to start your new abundant life. This is a one-to-one opportunity to have a call with me and my team. We're going to identify your invisible blocks. Okay? I'm going to share one actionable step that you need to take for your growth. This is only based on application because this is not a paid one. This is a free call. तो पहले एप्लीकेशन होगी, मेरी टीम आपको कॉल करके चेक करेगी, आप क्वालिफाई करेंगे तभी आप आएंगे, वरना मैं कॉल पे नहीं आऊँगा. ठीक है? बिकॉज आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टॉक टू समबडी हु हैज़ अ वेरी लिमिटेड माइंडसेट और डजंट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग. Okay, only 6 slots are available for next week. I have another workshop coming up as well. Okay, so this is not for people who have already signed up for the program because ये आपके लिए covered है. This is for people who have not signed up and who want that help. उनको चाहिए कि हाँ यार अमन 2026 हमें बढ़िया करना है. या people who have been in the past and who have not really got the results और अब उनको they want to move forward. ठीक है? This is not life coach certification. It is more than that. This is abundance now. So click on this link, go to this link, book your call. Okay? There are very few slots. Once you select a slot, you will be filling in some details. Fill those details and click on the link right now because I'm going to end the session. Only for people who want this abundance and they are ready to go into this abundant 2026. अब उनको चाहिए क्या लाइफ में ना, अभी ये कॉन्शियसनेस का जो कौन सा हायर लेवल है, आई वॉन्ट टू गो देयर. अबंडेंस इज अ स्किल सेट दैट विल चेंज एवरीथिंग इन योर लाइफ. आपके एक ही माइंडसेट ने आपको जिंदगी भर के लिए यहां तक पहुंचाया. यू हैव रीच्ड हियर विद दिस माइंडसेट. इफ यू वांट टू रीच टू अ डिफरेंट प्लेस, यू नीड टू नाउ प्रैक्टिस अबंडेंस माइंडसेट. इसके अलावा कोई और तरीका है ही नहीं. अभी क्लियर? ठीक है? अबंडेंट हो तो पॉसिबिलिटीज है फॉर एवरीबडी. अबंडेंस है तो पॉसिबिलिटीज है. ओके, एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस? Any confusion on anything before we wrap up? Any confusion? Yeah, no confusion, all good? Jogi Tyagi, all clear? Yeah? Okay. Yeah, Ruchi, go ahead.
Can we practice this daily or it has to be like weekly or something or
Good.
monthly?
मैं वही बताने वाला था. Okay. So what you need to do right now is you need to this practice of awareness. Ki what is the fear that I'm holding on to? ठीक है? Why do I have this fear? And then if I operate out of faith and not fear, what would I do? एक ये 5 मिनट की एक्सरसाइज है, ये आपकी abundance एक्सरसाइज है because it's giving you a direction कि यार ये काम करता मैं अगर fear नहीं होता या ये काम करती. तो एक तो ये प्रैक्टिस करना है. सेकंड, नथिंगनेस स्टेट में जाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Remember, everybody who went into the nothingness state felt lighter because we are not holding on to any past beliefs. So it is a super powerful state. I told you I do this in meditation every single day. Okay? So you can do this. वहाँ पे जाके रिलीज करिए. ठीक है? प्रेयर उसके लिए हम कर लेते हैं एक बार. I will share that with you also.
It has to be done in the morning or evening.
Anytime you feel you can do that. ये एक बार you can quickly take a screenshot of this या फिर फोटो ले लो.
I've written this. Okay, yeah.
ठीक है जी. I hope you guys learned something new, something different, something useful for 2026. I hope you can see कि what is the power of abundance and what were we doing differently. हमारा क्या mediocrity mindset था, what was holding us back till now. Okay? And now imagine if you apply these principles this entire year, what will happen in your life if you operate out of all these things. ये एकदम से नहीं होगा, सब कुछ एक बारी में नहीं होगा. Are we clear? परफेक्शन माइंडसेट में नहीं जाना है. धीरे 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 धीरे. ओके, मुझसे भी गलती हो जाती है अभी यार, बट मैं खुद को वापस ले आता हूँ. द प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट in mispronouncing a word. The problem is not correcting that mispronunciation. Pronunciation नहीं बोलना है. Pronunciation बोलोगे जिंदगी भर तो बेइज्जती होगी. Pronunciation. तो हमने करेक्ट कर लिया ना. सिमिलरली हमारे थॉट्स हैं जो गलत चले गए, हम उसको वापस अबंडेंट पे ले आए कि यार ये इंसान तो इतना बना रहा है, मैं क्यों नहीं बना पा रहा हूँ. Happy for them. If he can do it, I can also do it. Abundance. Cool. Got it? Practice it. Be a part of the group. Ask any questions in the group also, if possible. That's all good. Okay, we'll guide you there. January batch, I will see you guys very soon. The dates will be released by next week. Okay. See you guys. Good night. Have an amazing and abundant
Good night.
2026.
You too.